Welcome back to another YouTube video from Best RV channel. I am Nala Mari from Best RV in Grand Terrace, Southern California, where we're having the Cascade travel trailers. As we talked in the previous video, Cascade and Cherokee is exactly same thing. The only thing different is the stickers on the front. And the reason why they do that, so I could carry Cascade in Southern California in Grand Terrace location and the Cherokee in my Turlock location. Everybody looking for 26 bunkhouse travel trailers. And everybody make the same floor plan where you have a walk-around queen bed in the front, sofa dinette on a slide-out, kitchen facing the sofa and the dinette, and you have in the back a double over double, and next to it is the bathroom. 2 doors. Perfect. Everybody make it. But the question is, on the 26KF, they make the same floor plan, but they played in the position of the TV and the entertainment centers, and they gain you more closet and more storage behind the TV and the fireplace, as well in the bedroom. But I'm going to keep this until, if you stay tuned with me, so you could see that inside. But let's talk about the features of the Cherokee Cascade 26KF in Grand Terrace, Southern California. First, all Cherokee and Cascade, they come with the 3 panels. So you have the diamond plate, one in the middle, one in the top. They give you 2 propane tank with electric tongue jack and a cover. So this is electric tongue jack. Now, one thing about the 26KF, it's all power jack. In another way, the 2 electric stabilizer jack in the front is electric, as well in the back. If I go down here, in the back, they're electric. So the front tongue jack is electric, the 2 in the front is electric, the 2 in the rear is electric, and power awning. So everything is electric, nothing anymore using handles and using hands. As well the slide out. Now, standing here, what are you gonna notice is from my standpoint, is the window and the door. Now you're gonna say, well, everybody have a window in their travel trailer. What's the 26KF is different? You see my reflection in the mirror. Hello. And the reason why they do these reflections, not because they like the look of the mirror, is to get the heat outside of the unit, to reflect the heat outside and give it to you, make it more cooler inside. And the top of that, you're gonna see 26KF, they provide you with everything. What do you mean everything? Complete outdoor kitchen, not just the grill. They give you a fridge. They give you ice maker. It's right here. Ice maker. And they give you outside shower, hot and cold. So you have a sink. In another way, you have a water source here for hot and cold. You could rinse your hands when you barbecue. And then they give you the grill. This particular unit comes with 2 outside showers. They come one over here by the outdoor kitchen, and then there's one also on the other side. They're giving you the TV bracket and the outdoor speakers included. Other brands you have to buy. This one you don't need. And the power awnings and 2 doors. And we're going to stop here and talk about the 2 doors. When you go camping, what you use the most? The outside, what you use the most? Barbecue, grilling, sitting, lounge chairs, enjoying the family time. What also you enjoy? What also you use the most is bathroom. So when you have the 2 door, a second door to the bathroom in the back, you eliminate 90% of tracking the dirt inside your trailer. Why? I got kids. They eat. What they want to do? Wash their hands. Voila. They eat. They want to use the bathroom. Voila. So easy access when you are sitting outside and camping outdoor. And again, RVs is all about outdoors. So you want to think of that. You have the nice awning, you're grilling, cooking, eating, watching TV, and suddenly they want somebody to use the bathroom. So rather you walk through this door and walk whole entire trailer to get to the bathroom in the rear, I have a bathroom door in the back. So that's what is selling that floor plan 26KF is the 2 entry door, plus what I'm gonna show you next is the entertainment center. Latch for your dogs, which is great, or if you have bicycles, if you have portable generator, you wanna tie it down so nobody steal it, you have it tied down. Rack and a spare what they offer you. What does it mean rack? You could flip this one down. You have ice chests, fire pits, launchers, electric bike, portable generators. You come with the beautiful rack, come included with it. That's included in that kind of price and that trailers. No matter what, look here, the cameraman, show them kind of quick. Other units, they don't have racks. This one has rack. That's another advantage for you. Backup camera, run off your cell phone, come with it. Spare tire and a cover. Going to this side, you have a storage underneath the bunks, and actually, so this is the two bunks, and then they gain you a storage from outside to put more stuff inside. A second outside shower, endless hot water heater, city water connections, fresh water connection, lights with a switch, so no more using your iPhone to watch how you hook up your black and gray. And there's here the black and the gray hookup right there for you. Then here's you have the slide, and next to the slide you have the pass-through storage. And in the pass-through storage, what they're giving you a solar panel controller, ottoman. And then if we come over here, you could see the light and the 30 amp solar controller on the unit. And the unit, yes, it does come with 200 watt solar panel on the roof. Now, let's walk inside and talk about the 26KF. Folks, I am inside the 26KF. Now, from this part, where's the sofa and the dinette and the kitchen and the bunk and the fridge, everybody making it. I'm not gonna create something from me. Every brand you ever think about it, they make 26 bunkhouse where you have a sofa, a dinette, a double over double, a bathroom next to the bunk room, and a kitchen facing the sofa. But this what is still the 26K. This is what put them set apart. It is you have a nice full indeterminate center where you could put your 40-inch TV. I love this, kind of like middle centuries. And you have a hidden pantry behind it. By having that TV in that corner, you gain two things. You gain a pantry, a second closet pantry, whatever you want to call it. Then you have another closet pantry, whatever you want to say it. Storage for the kids, storage for the bunk, storage for your kitchens. Or if you say, nah, come on, kitchen by the door, I understand. Well, it's right here. You have more storage. Then inside the bedroom, you gain additional closets. And that's what the 26KF is different than other 26 DBHs in the market. So that's what separates the Cherokee or the Cherokee 26KF or the Cascade 26KF. That's what is set apart and make it more desired floor plan, because you'll be sitting on the sofa and you'll be watching the beautiful TV and the fireplace. Now, another thing separate the Cascade and Cherokee 26KF rough is the big U-shaped dinette over here. Other manufacturer, they give you single dinette. This is a big U-shaped dinette with a big doors and another big doors. And you have it so roomy. Storage, this is turned to a bed as well, this turned to a bed. Across from it, you have a really nice, I love the multiple glass doors of kitchen where I put my silver and my dishes. And then you have a country sink with a cup rinse, a high-rise faucet, trash can, disposable, come with the trash can and the door, more silverware door. And then you have another storage, come with a 3-burner range and a convection microwave air fryer. And there's lights and a hood, 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator. It's included. And then you have double over double with storage and ladders. And then I love this light. A lot of kids, they come here and they say, could you turn this wolf for me? And that's what it is. This is what I mean, extra touch. The Cherokee 4-server as well, the Cascade 4-server, they provided to the customers. Storage, the lower bunk, half storage from inside, half storage from outside. And then we're gonna go to the shower. Very big tub, roomy, solid, skylight. No issue for knees. Bigger oval sink, solid medicine cabinet, more room. Then again, the second door. And we're gonna go that way. On a 26-foot bunkhouse, they provide me with a king-size bed, RV king-size bed, as you see right here. And then you have the CPAP closet with inverter, small inverter, so you could get your machine running with no problem for breathing. Or laptop, more storage. And then we talk about that. They give you also even the TV bracket in your bedroom, and you could put your TV here on a swing arm. It's very simple. You just kind of push it and pull. It's brand new. And you could watch the TV from your bed. And then when you're done, you can put it back and lock. Storage underneath the bed. Let me focus. You see, another bins for underwear, socks, you name it. And then more closets. Another closet here. Oh, and this has the ottoman and more closet here. So this is what you gain in this 26KF. Half-ton towable. The dry weight of this unit is below 6,000. So actually, you could pull it in this unit with no problem. The dry weight is right here. Sorry, dry weight 6806. I apologize. 6800. So half-ton towable. Any half-ton truck will pull it. And 26-foot over length is going to be around 31 tip to tip. Price-wise, we assure you the best price in California. No hidden fees. We have it in both locations, Southern California and Grand Terrace. Our location, Southern California, is not on the freeway. It's like 1 block away from the freeway. So, but it's very convenient because we have a full service department. The cameraman he show you will take care of your service need. Please click the link underneath. Give us call, comments, and we'll love to put your dream on the road.